East Khasi Hills district is under lockdown. Today we have taken a decision that lockdown in East Khasi Hills district will continue up to 5 a.m. of 7th June 2021. However, some relaxations is also put in place as follows. Deputy Commissioner shall make sure that availability of essential commodities in all the localities within East Khasi Hills district on need basis.
The state government on the 28th of May 2021 had announced the extension of the total lockdown in East Khasi Hills district till 5 a.m. of the 7th of June 2021. Public cooperation with the district administration has really helped in curbing the spread of the infection. The past 2 days has seen a decrease in the rise of positive cases, and we hope that henceforth till the 7th of June there would be further decrease in positive cases. As of today, the 29th of May 2021, the total number of active cases is 7,741, where the positive cases for today stand at 623 with 7 deaths and of course a total recovery of 890 cases. We hope that the extension of the lockdown would further bring down the surge of infection within the entire state of Meghalaya. With camera person Refulgent, this is Bethleen Dakar for Media Plus, Shillong.